Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another day of sneak peeks. We have 2 more days till release day, so I hope you've been enjoying those sneak peeks, the countdown to release day, which is July 1st at 9 a.m. Central. You can head on over to the shop on July 1st and pick up yourself a box. I'll have all the links in the description box for you. So this is what I revealed so far. There's a stencil that has 2 different sun rays. We have a summer coffee paper pad and the coordinating ephemera. We have this really cute stamp set, Rise and Shine. And then we did this one yesterday, which is the Java Nice Day. And we made some very, very cute cards. So let's share real quick. And you can go back to the previous videos to see how I made each one of these cards. Today we are revealing our next collection, Make It Iced Please, and its coordinating ephemera. So I'm going to go through the paper pack with you. I think this one's my favorite so far from this box, and I just love pink and yellow together. It's so pretty. So we've got this really gorgeous sheet with all these cool coffee drinks and desserts on them. There's some sentiments that say, but first coffee, hot days, cold drinks, pour me some coffee, iced latte. So really, really cute. The next one is this really fun polka dot with like a white shadow. And then we've got some cherry blossoms. So really cute. Love this one here. So I did use this one on the card that I made yesterday. So I used it down here. Doesn't that look super cute? And then this pattern here, we've got some ladies drinking coffee, lounging, the word yum. It's like a little straw coming out of the iced coffee there. So really, really cute, and love this one. So I don't know, these like kind of like sunbursts. Very fun pattern. And then this yellow stripe with the pink little splatters. And then this is a fun one. So these ladies with sunglasses. On the sunglasses it says, pour me some coffee, hot days. And then there's just some yummy snacks and coffee. And then this is a really fun pattern with these hearts in different colors. And then we have a little floral pattern with tiny little dots in the background. And then these super cute coffee drinks with the little coffee stain in the background and those fun straws. And then this really abstract background. So, and then it starts to repeat. You get 4 of each design in here. And then let's go through the ephemera. So isn't she fun? I love this image. And there's that cute one with the little straw. This one, super, super cute. And then we've got the ladies with the sunglasses. And then we've got different sizes. We've got some sentiments, iced latte. Really cute. Different sizes. There's some sunbursts that you can play around with. Okay, so there's the cute ephemera. So we're gonna make a card now with this. I kind of like this together, so I'm gonna grab this cluster. So we might do 2 cards, so let's see. Okay, I kind of like this. Okay, so I'm gonna make 2 gift card holders, and I followed this gal's measurements. She's Clopen Stampers, and these are the cards she made, and I am going to follow her instructions. She leaves the measurements on her website, so if you want to visit her to get those measurements. So I pre-cut and pre-scored my panels. I have 2 card bases here. Let's fold these up so I get a better idea what I'm doing here. So this is going to be the little pocket for the gift card. So it's going to look like this. You're going to open it. You're going to probably glue the edges here. You can do a little circle punch to make a little half circle. And then these are the patterns that I chose. So there's going to be a pattern here. There's going to be one over here. There's going to be one on the front. White for the middle here. Okay, and I think I want to do one on the back just to make this a little bit sturdier. So I'm going to cut a pattern for the back here. Okay, so my panel measures 11 by 4 1/4. We scored at 1 1/2 and then 5 1/2. We're going to cut panels for each of these sections here. We've got the one that goes in the middle here that measures 3 3/4 by 4. We've got the one that measures 1 1/4 by 4, which will go here. For the back, I measured 5 1/4 by 4. You're also going to do another one of this for the inside when you fold it. And then there's going to be one on the other side over here. So it's going to peek out here. And then you're going to want 2 of this size. So we have one on the front and one on the inside. I'm going to glue down the back panel first. So when you're thinking about this box for July, you might say, I don't drink coffee. This box is not for me. But when you think about it, think about who you're making the cards for. There's lots of people in your life that drink coffee, I'm sure. You know, who are you going to be making gifts for? Are you going to be selling your cards? Because there's lots of need for coffee cards. They make great little gifts, like these little gift card holders. When you need a quick gift to thank somebody, a coffee gift card is perfect. Okay, so now we're going to add the inside. Or let's do this one first because I want to see what I want to do for the outside. Let's see, so I cut this one. Now I'm thinking I want to put maybe the white on the outside because that's where all my images are going to go. Ooh, did I cut that wrong? I think I cut that one wrong. Yes, I did. Okay, so the white will go on the outside, and that's where I'm going to put like my images I'm gonna decorate this. Okay, so I don't know how I'm gonna lay it out yet. There, and then I'm gonna do the polka dots with this one. And the little cups. Okay, if you're new to the channel, we've been doing a countdown to release day. Release day is on July 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. You can come over to the shop, nottoshabbyshop.com, and pick up your box. You can subscribe to the club and save 5%. That'll reserve your box every month. You'll get that every 30 days from the day you purchased. We always have new fun designs. Teresa, who is fresh and renewed with Teresa, helps me come up with everything. Her and I brainstorm what themes to do. Teresa and I make a great team, so we have a lot of fun coming up with the different themes for every month. And Teresa puts together all of the paper pads and the ephemera for me. Okay, so that's how that's looking. Let's see, we're gonna need one here on the inside. I hope the background noise isn't too bad. My husband's outside mowing the lawn. You know what, I wanna put something here. Let's see. So this is the one that fits there. Okay. You know what? I should have put the pattern here and the white here so I could write a message, but this is enough room to write a message, so I'm fine with that. So come back tomorrow. We're going to do the last peek for the box. So I'm super excited for release day. So we're going to have to hold this down in the corners with some strong adhesive. Okay, so this is looking really cute. I'm going to do the second one off camera and I'll share what it looks like at the end. Oh yeah, this one doesn't fit. Let's see, so we can do this. That's kind of fun. Kind of like that. Coffee images on the front, inside. Yeah, I kind of like that. Before I glue this down, I'm going to punch a half circle in the center. Okay, so we got a little tab. I have some very thin tape here we can use to glue down the sides. We're going to slip in our gift card there. Make sure that sticks down. Let's see. I'm going to press that down with my bone folder. Okay, this card is feeling really nice. Nice and sturdy. I'm going to pop up these images. Okay, I kind of like that. So I think I'll glue these two in the back straight down and pop up these two. Okay, so here is the finished card. I am going to embellish some of my cards tomorrow when I show you our last reveal. So, nice spot to add your gift card, write a message, or you can flip these two and put the designer paper on this side and white over here so you could write a message. But very fun. Love this. So I'm going to show you the other card. So I love it, guys. This was such a fun project. So I'm pretending that those are my coffee gift cards. They fit very nicely right there. So on this one I did the white so I could write a larger message. And then it's even pretty on the back. So tomorrow we're going to dress these up with some of the, let's call confetti mix that's going to be in your box. So I will reveal that tomorrow. So be back tomorrow, 1 p.m. Central Time. And I will see you then, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the peaks. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.